So guys, so IDBI has come out with yet another notification for grade A officers. Now that is important. Again, I'm not going to talk on how to fill the form and the general things. Once again, it is from IBPS. Means the test taking agency is IBPS. The form filling is on IBPS website. So that's okay. I'll show all those things. My main agenda will be: should you give this exam or not? Right? What exactly is the salary structure and what is this PGDBF, whatever they're calling it? So let's get on with this, guys. I'm going to share my screen now. You should be able to see it. Here we go. So here we go. Listen to it carefully. So I'll just go. I directly clicked on this IDBI Bank career options. Right. This is where just I think 2 or 3 days back I made a video for recruitment notification for executives. This is 3 days back, right? Now they've come out with recruitment for this thing. Just hold. Yeah, this is what you should be able to see. Right? PGDBF program. Right? So let's see, guys. It's on IDBI Bank. You have to go on current opening. So let me show this to you also. How you will reach here. This is how you will reach, guys. So you do this. You have to come down right at the end. See here, this is where you will see career option. Click on the career options and this is where you will reach career option, right? Then when you click on current openings, you will be able to see this now. I hope this point is clear, and that is where I already was when I started. So this is where you are now current openings. Current openings may now the latest one is this as of today. Detailed advertisement. When you click, here we go. This is the detailed advertisement. So first I talk about the detailed advertisement, right? Again, I'm not going to talk on those general things which you already know how to fill the form and other things, right? Let us look at this advertisement properly. Right? Vacancies, I think almost 600 odd vacancies, right? Age and everything I'll talk. Again, I'm going to talk on important points, guys. Number one, again, eligibility criteria is they mentioned as July 1st. I don't know. They come out with the notification in August and then they tell that the eligibility criteria is of July 1st. I have no idea why they do that, but they've done that, right? So on 1st July, whatever is your eligibility criteria, right? So this is on 1st July. Right, again caste. So this they very clearly written 21st 21 year to 28 is what you should be. Very important. Forget about 21 28. Just see, are you born between these years, right? Which means, I hope you must have understood, which means you cannot be born after 1st July 2000 and you should not be born before 2nd July 1993. That's as simple as it gets. So this point is should be clear. Pause the video, see it again, right? Next. 200 rupees and 1000 rupees is the form filling fees, just making money. How to apply. So again, I've already told you, right? This is the detailed notification, right? They've written how to apply. It's very simple. We looked at the detailed advertisement. You click on this online application for admission to admission. The next tab, you click on this, you reach here. Back to IBPS. See this, it's back to IBPS, right? I'll put this specific link in the description box, right? You should be able to see this. So this is it. They started the registration on 10th of August. The exam is on 6th of September. Yeah, I don't know how they, no, this is not late fees. No. Right, so we'll just have to see when is the examination date. That we'll see. Fine, here we go. Let's see. Let's get back to the form again. Important points, guys. Very important. The marks required or the percentage required in graduation is 60% now. They've specifically mentioned it is 60%. Remember, now for that contractual thing which they came out with, it was 55 and 50. For general category, it was, remember for contractual, I'm talking 55 and 50. They've again increased the bar here. They wanted 60% and for SC, ST, 55%, right? Signature, thumb impression, handwriting, and every, handwritten declaration, your photo, everything normal, which we do for IBPS, right? Now, Trust me, I'm not really interested in talking on those things. I've talked about eligibility criteria. I talked about 60% and 55%. Age is there. They have declared in this that the examination will be on in first week of September. Remember, we are already in August, almost mid-August. The exam is in first week of September, right? So here we go. Now, what is important? This, guys. Yeah. So date of online test, tentative, they very clearly written, is 4th of September. I don't think it will be on 4th of September, but approximately you should take it at that way, right? Now, selection process, if you look at the test structure, it's just that they've added general, economic, and banking awareness. 60 questions, 60 marks extra. I hope you know, in that contractual thing, it was only logic, English, quant. They've added general and banking awareness also. Composite time of 2 hours. Please go through it properly. Now, and obviously there's 0.25 negative marking. So is this the reason I'm making this video? Come on, I could have directly sent this to you and then you would have read it on your own, right? What's the big deal? This is the reason I'm making this video, guys. Here we go. This is the point. And I really want to discuss. People who have had a little patience will now get on with this properly. See this now, here we go. It's not that you appear for this exam, you cleared this exam and you are directly in the bank. No, there is a program which they have specifically mentioned. There is a program which they are calling it some PGDBF, right? Let me go, that you can see again. Let me see, what is the PGDBF? It says, no guys, listen to it. It's a certification program. It is not approved by any AICT, nor any UGC, nor any university. It's a certification program. Remember that, right? It's a certification program, and the cost for that 1 year program is 3,50,000 rupees, which means once you clear this test, which is given here, the aptitude test, then they'll conduct your interview. Once you clear that interview, you have to go through this program and pay this money. I hope you understand this. Whether to apply or not, again, I'll discuss it later. First, understand this thing. You have to pay 3,50,000 plus GST. So the program cost goes to almost 420,000. 4,18,000 rupees. Remember this point. 1 year course, 4,18,000 ka. You have to pay that money. Yes, there are installments available. IDBI Bank will itself give you a loan for that. That's all okay. That's all there. The point is there is money. I hope this is clear. Career prospects, let's see what are there in the career prospects. 36,000 is going to be your monthly salary, and yes, stipend 10,000 per month, but that is only for 3 months, so I won't bother about that. For 9 months you'll be getting 2,500 rupees a day. You are charging me by, I hope you're getting my, during the training you are charging me 3,50,000 rupees ka fees or 4,20,000. What is the use of this 2,500 rupees stipend? I am reduce the fees now. What is the meaning of this stipend? I don't know. Anyways, so 36,000 rupees per month. It's a good amount, decent amount, no issues with that. Please look at this now, right? There is a bond. Point number 13, please go through it carefully. There is a bond which is of 2 years or 3 years. I don't know. Yeah, 3 years ka bond, which means once you start working, it's a 3 year ka bond, which means if you leave in the middle, you have to pay an amount of 2 lakh rupees to them. Now, this is interesting, guys, right? So make sure you know this. See, whether to go for it or no, don't not go for it. It is your choice. I'll give you my analysis, but you should know this now. That yes, there is cost involved, plus once you are there in the program, which means now you'll have to work for the bank for 3 years, right? You'll have to work for the bank for 3 years. Fair enough. Next, reservation and everything, I really don't want to talk much. So there's a bond. Now, yeah, rest of the things are okay. There you can directly go. Should you go for this one? Guys, let us understand. Should you go for the test or not? That is more important, right? From my perspective, the cost is 1,000 rupees. For SST, it is 200 rupees. What's wrong in going for the test? My point is very clear. Go for the test. There is nothing wrong in going for the test because you're already preparing for all banking exam. So if you're preparing for all banking exam, go for the test. Who is stopping you to go for the test, right? Appear for the test. Don't appear for interview. In fact, I'm telling you, appear for interview also. And once you clear it, don't pay this 3,50,000 rupees plus GST. Mat do na. This is point one. Point number two, I'm asking you to fill the form. Remember this. My point is, if you have to give 3,50,000 or almost 4,20,000 rupees for 1 year ka course, go and do an MBA. Yaar. Go for CT notification, everything. A lot of you people must already be knowing. तुमको 4 लाख रुपए 20 लाख अच्छा 4,20,000 is see on formal education there is no GST, guys. Remember that all PGDM, PGP, MMS, MBA program there is no GST, but on this program there is GST because this is not a formal program. Guys, remember मैंने पहले ही बोला था I am not someone who is going to take side of this or that कि नहीं अरे दो अरे नहीं मत दो अरे it is your choice. And from my perspective, appear for exam. No issues whatsoever with that, right? Should you go for the program? Point one, if you're happy with 35,000, if you're happy with those 2-year, 3-year ka bond, go for it. No issues. But my point is 4,20,000 rupees you are going to pay for this program. You can do your MBA in 6 lakh, 7 lakh, 8 lakh rupees, and your options of getting placement from those MBA colleges will be, see, you'll have more options, right? You'll have many more options. Right? You won't be restricted only to one bank. There might be so many other banks coming and they might be giving you better package. I don't know. See, right now I don't want to comment on that कि मिलेगा ही मिलेगा नहीं, but options तो रहेंगे. Similar kind of program ICICI Bank has also done. See, this is going YouTube. This I'm so specific. जो है वो है. And yes, they did decently well, but were they very successful? No. Because as soon as you talk about banking and then you talk about a specific course, people have that apprehension कि यार मुझे course क्यों करना 4 लाख रुपए वो भी यार. See, remember this is not 350 with GST it becomes 420,000 rupees, 4,20,000 rupees. That is, you can do your MBA, proper 2-year full-time MBA, AICT approved, proper authorized degree, right? Which you can use anywhere in India and get a decent placement for that college also. So my preference will be appear for the test, nothing wrong in that because you are appearing for so many banking exams, 1,000 rupees more gone. But whether to select this course or not, let's talk about it later. आपके पास अगर इतना पैसा है तो फिर तो MBA क्यों नहीं कर लेते यार? Definitely an MBA will give you much better options in life. So this is from my side, guys. Yes, everything is there. To all our students, we'll send you this proper PDF also with all documents and everything. That's it. Happy studying. Thank you. Bye-bye.